Hey everybody, it's the Wig Maker. Welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my regular subscribers, hey, hello, welcome back. If you're not subscribed to me and you would like to join us, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button and you're more than welcome to join in all the wiggery fun. Now, first things first, I just have to say a massive thank you to everyone that's subscribed so far. I can't believe that I'm over 100 subscribers already. That's mad. Yeah, so honestly, you've no idea how much I appreciate all of you that have joined so far. Now, on to why I'm making today's video. I'm going to be talking you through the difference between the majority of factory made wigs and custom made wigs. So if that's something that you'd be really interested in, stick around. As you'll see, I've got two friends with me to demonstrate the difference between them. So here we go. In this video, I'm just speaking generally about factory made wigs. I know that not all factory made wigs aren't quite, shall we say, made as nicely as some others. Can we tell which one's a factory wig? Is it this one or this one? Stick around and you'll find out. Now, for the factory made wigs, the first thing that I mean, this is all just my opinion, just putting that out there. The first thing is, when you're choosing, say, a wig from, like, that's mass produced in a factory, you have absolutely no idea where the hairs came from, what hair grade it is, what the origin is, if it has any coatings, you know, if it's got any like silicones or if it's been through an acid treatment, things like that. So you have no idea where the hairs came from. Also, in some cases, not all of the wigs that are advertised as human hair are indeed human hair. Some of them are actually synthetic hair, and some of them, very sneakily, are a blend of human hair and synthetic hair, which not all factories do, but some factories do, just to reduce their costs and to maximise their profits. Yeah. It can be quite as shady as that, believe me. I speak from experience because I've bought a few of these wigs in the past when I used to wear them. For those that don't know, I come from a background of hair loss. Nearly 5 years ago, I lost almost all my hair due to illness. I started wearing lace wigs to cover that because it gave me back a lot of normality and things. And when I was finding that the wigs I was buying weren't very flattering at all, I learned how to make my own. Okay, do you want me to tell you which one of these is the factory and which is the custom? You'll probably guess by just looking at the hair. Any guesses? Well, it's this one. Yeah. This was actually one of my wigs that I wore when I had hair loss. Yes, can you actually believe I wore this? I don't even know. I don't even think it deserves the title wig. It's, yeah. We'll get into the details of it. So normally when you buy like wigs from a website and things. Not, like I said, not everyone, not every website, but let's just say the one that I bought this one from, yeah? I'm not going to say what the site is because I'm not into shading people. The caps, they come in like standard sizes, so like extra small, small, medium and large. On very rare occasions you would get extra large, and it's just a generic size. With this particular wig, there's no like customization on it. There's no darts in it. The darts mean the folds that I would say make in a custom wig that makes the foundation shape form to the roundness of the head. So what I'll do is I'll take this wig off the block and I'll show you. I can't actually believe that I kept hold of this wig, but I'm using it for a video, so who knew? Again, I'm not being especially careful to take the pins out of this because I don't wear it, I don't intend to wear it, I don't intend to do anything to it other than put it away when I'm finished making this video, so there we are. Okay, so we'll have a look inside this creation. Right, can we see in here? There is no folds, it just gapes, so it doesn't form to the shape of the head. And I'll just turn it inside out for you. See how there's all this excess fabric? Especially there. And yeah, there's nothing on this wig to suggest it's meant to fit a round shape, because when you're taking, well, this is made of lace, we'll get onto that also in just a moment. When you're taking a flat material that's lace to create lace wigs, essentially you're taking a flat material, moulding it into something round, and to do that you need to create darts, which I'll show you on this wig when I take it off the block. There's no darts on this, so this wig, if it was placed on your head and even just, you know, the tiniest of movements or the wind, it would just blow off. I remember actually this wig, I couldn't actually properly glue it onto my head. Shall we just see what it looks like? And it's probably easier to explain. This is kind of really ridiculous, but for demonstration purposes I'll put it on. So I mean, look at it. Look at this. It's just a flat bit of material that does not fit. So yeah, it does not fit on the head. I think when they were creating this one, they were putting in, you know, like the elastic bands that you get at the nape to give a bit more security. They put the bit where the elastic's meant to go in, but they never put the elastic and hooks attached to it on. So there's that. There's this, like, even the hairs are all on the inside. And this stretchy material at the crown. Nope. Also, I would try to show you how this hair's knotted, but it's really difficult to even handle this wig. This wig is knotted in like diagonal patterns. Now, in my opinion, wigs should be made so they don't look like wigs, just they look like a new head of hair. Yeah? With me? These wigs are knotted diagonally. I've never seen anyone's hair that grows in a natural diagonal way. Have you? Nope. They've also got these really ugly split knots in them. These are, well, they're meant to be used to create volume, but I think what they've done with this wig is, because I'll just show you, I can get a close up there. You see there? I think they use the split knots in this wig to make it look like there's actually more hair in it, but using less hair. So using less hair, which will cut their costs and increase their profits. Yeah, I wouldn't even let my dog wear this wig. That's how bad I feel about it. Now, getting on to the hairline. Really? Hairlines? Yeah, there's absolutely no customization on the hairline. It's just a lot of hair that's been shoddily knotted into lace. Again, I'll come to that in just a moment. You can't even call that a hairline. I would actually rather than wear this monster, I would actually rather wear a hard front wig, and I'm not keen on hard front wigs. Like, look at this. Absolute trash. Yeah, so getting on to the, in inverted commas, lace. This wig was advertised being made with authentic Swiss lace. Let me tell you, this is not authentic Swiss lace. This lace feels rough, scratchy. I imagine if you had no hair on your head that it would irritate your skin. It doesn't blend easy with the skin, even used with glue. Yeah, it's hard. It's not Swiss lace. Well, it's advertised as Swiss lace, but It's definitely not, believe me. Now, getting onto the hair quality. Now, look at this. Look at this. This wig has got lovely virgin hair in it, so it flows naturally, yeah? It's very silky, soft, smooth. It's got nice, you know, movement to it. This looks and feels like straw. When I got this wig, it looked nice and shiny and everything. That's probably because it had, you know, like coatings of probably silicone on it. So after the first couple of washes, it just turned into this mess. Do you know what it feels like? It feels like, you know, you used to get those little, I can't remember, I think they're called troll dolls. Remember those as a kid? Like the little dolls that came with like the spiky hair, and this hair was in like all different colours and things. That's what this feels like. No matter how many times you wash and condition and deep condition and, you know, various other treatments, it will do absolutely nothing to it. This wig, in my opinion, cannot be revived for any use other than comedic. Now, the bit that you all came for, the good bit. And we'll get on to this one, the really nice one that I've made, that I'm still in the process of making. So, here we are. Now, you see it moves. It's got movement. It's got colour. It's got tones. Whereas that one, it was just a mess. Now, instantly, you'll see it's got shine. It's got colour, tones. It's not static, it moves. That other one doesn't move. It feels like troll hair. You'll see that the knots are very natural. Still in the process of making it. You can see the knots there. No split knots in sight. You know, no double split knots. No diagonal lines. And if you bear with me just a moment, I will take this wig off the box so you can have a look on the inside. Now, just thinking about what you saw in that other one, you'll see the difference in this one. Okay, so here we have. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. Now, I really like the inside of a wig because it's like the inside of the workings of magic. Now, remember with the other one there was absolutely no folds or anything, it was just a flat shape. Oh. You see these folds? These folds enable the flat shape to turn round, so it will just hug your head. You see how there's a band here? It goes all the way from ear to ear. This band, it sort of acts like I call it a nape hugger, because it goes all the way across your nape, around the back of the ears and just up here. So it really holds on tight to your head. The lace that this is made with was hand selected by me, because there's so many different types of laces. So it's like well over 100 different types of laces. This one did. This is actually genuine Swiss lace. It's nice and soft. It's not scratchy. It'll be very comfortable on whomever wears it. This is just going to be one of my stock pieces, so when it's finished it'll just go on my website. So if anyone's interested in buying it, I will, in a future video, I'll let you know when it's finished, and I'll have it on either my website or on my Instagram. So it'll be like a really comfortable fit. It won't feel tight. It won't feel loose. You could possibly wear it glueless if you wish, or with glues. You know, the lace that I've got in this one takes very well with tapes and liquid glues. Yeah, so these folds that I was talking about, these have been permanently sewed down. So, like, if you're pulling at the wig or styling it and things, it'll never ever lose its shape. And as long also with that, as long as you keep it on a like a wig block or something, you know, like a canvas one, or for storage purposes you might want to use a styrofoam head, but not for making them, just for storage. Yes, and those are sewn in on the base, so I'll just pop that over here. So that's just a few of the different perks of having a custom made wig. Again, with the lace that I work with, it can be dyed to match almost all skin types. So, you know, whatever skin tone you are, I can make a custom dye so that it matches your skin tone, and so that the lace melts onto the skin, so you won't, you know, really see the join, as people call it. You'll have none of that, and if you're using it with glue, it'll be just a complete natural melt, so it'll just look like a new head of hair. And if that wasn't enough, are you ready for more? You are? Great. So like when, say for instance, someone gets together with me to design a lace wig, we discuss everything. So it'll be, you know, hair colour, length, density, texture, what kind of look you want to go for. If you want root lift, which makes it look like you've got volume at the roots without the need to back comb the wig, and you can have like a whole plethora of different customisations, like having a crown swirl, widow's peak, really particular you know, hairlines, or if you just want your own hairline duplicated, that can happen as well. Yeah, there's just so many different variations when it comes to having a custom made wig. So which one do you think you would prefer? Of course, I'm quite biased because I make them, but I know which one I would prefer if it was me wearing it. Also, if you choose to opt for virgin hair, it's a bit like having a brand new head of hair, because virgin hair doesn't have any coatings, colourings, you know, dyes, silicones, so you can have it coloured, cut, styled, permed into whatever you like, and it'll just act like, yeah, just normal hair. And there is a few other elements to having a custom lace wig designed, but I think for now I'll keep that a little bit sacred, because I'm allowed to. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, it'd be really great if you could give me a thumbs up. If there's anything else you would like to know, tell me in the comments, and also in the comments leave other suggestions to what you want to see on this channel. And if you've not already done so, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other uploads. I've got lots of videos planned, so you don't want to miss out, believe me. And also, if you want to follow me, I'm on Instagram, which I'll also leave the details for in the description. And yeah, if anyone wants to discuss having something made, or anyone wants to work with me for whatever project, let me know. Yeah, cool. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye for now.